Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillahilladzi an'ama ilaina bi ni'matil imani wal islam. Wassalatu wassalamu ala khairil anami sayyidina Muhammadin mab'usi ilal jami'il alamin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi khairil quruni fil maqam. Before I begin to deliver my speech, I thanks to Allah because He has pleased us until we assemble in His name. Salawat and salam to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, to his family and to his company. Honorable, the first Walid, Buddha and his families. Honorable to our visitors, Dr. Muklisa Register, Honorable Head of Senior High School, Dr. Hajjah Baharia, Honorable to Head of Junior High School, Tunku Azahari SPH, Honorable to all of teachers and all of students of AYMAN boarding school. Okay, in this occasion, I would like to say in front of you all to deliver my speech with title, Participate. I represent from my friends of class 3 of senior high school and my friends of junior high school to deliver our party talk. Inshallah, we will let our bodies loving our teachers and also our friends. Because every meeting there is party, nothing which is not effort. Heaven has done of what which they take all of loving to all with effort. Nothing which everlasting in this world inside Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Today, we aspire from wallet, teachers, and friends. Because we have made mistake, we say once more, please pardon us. Maybe when we say a this part is good, we always make mistake. Start online until community self-care. We are very happy that from one. Teachers, we have educated us before we left this point. And also our friends which is the same school. Our party only party our body, but our social tie with boarding school UMMUL. Because every meeting there is party, nothing which we are effort. We very thanks to our teachers and our parents and our invitation for given signs to us, experience and also instruction our friends. So we finished our study from junior high school until senior high school. That's our blessing and guidance from wallet teachers and our friends. I hope to friends coming of Allah by practicing signs we have done in this body. Because we are young women in a future, we are leaders, have impact and impact in future. Shababul yawma kumara'ul. Today yawmin, tomorrow will be a leader. Anliku amalakum ala nujumi fis samai, fa in lam tatwasaltum ilaiha falakum biwasatiha. That our aspiration is high and even if we don't see it by in its middle. We must optimize and master the person. And we have to hold on ourselves because this is a success game. The Muslim generation. Therefore, our religion join us to be flexible Muslim leaders for society who ultimately have to put themselves of Muslims community. Ironically, in this Southeast Asia, we witness the conduct of young people who investigate the Islamic beliefs. We pay attention to many young people who are not aware of their education and will be more safe. If we see our Muslim sisters in our country, we have badly and they intentionally avoiding Islamic teaching. Follow it through. My sisters, in the last 5 minutes, I should like to tell you to prepare our generation in order to be able to prepare the all in the future. And I hope you all Muslim sisters, when so far they are absent from the lecture opponents to wreck the bright future. I think it's time for me to finish this making here party. Finally, I say, Wallahu muwaffiq ila aqwamit thariq. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.